Hello, my name is Ann Johns, and I'm a professor of linguistics and writing studies at San Diego State University in California.
And I'm Nigel Caplan, Associate Professor at the University of Delaware, and we're the editors of this new volume from Michigan ELT, Changing Practices for the L2 Writing Classroom, Moving Beyond the Five-Paragraph Essay.
We wrote this book because we were encouraged to do so by many teachers who felt that we needed to move, particularly in classes of diverse students, to move beyond the five-paragraph essay to writing in other kinds of genre.
Changing Practices makes the case that we can change our teaching practices in L2 writing pedagogy so that we can help all students at all levels learn to write in response to context and rhetorical situation, from elementary to secondary school, from novice undergraduates, all the way through to graduate students. And that probably does not mean writing five-paragraph essays. The five-paragraph essay is not good writing. It's not even supposed to be good writing. And throughout the book, our authors show that it fails to scaffold students so that they can become effective writers.
Instead of the rigid five-paragraph essay, we suggest that students practice planning and writing in different genres, from everyday genre like a request email, to more academic genre like academic papers for science class or case studies.
Appropriately enough, Changing Practices has an introduction, 3 sections, and a conclusion. In part 1, we discuss the history of the five-paragraph essay, contrast it to school writing in other countries, and argue that it's a form, not a genre. In part 2, authors go through each stage of education, showing why the five-paragraph essay doesn't work there and what teachers could assign instead. Part 3 takes on the important question of assessment and why it's important not to give in to the temptations of the five-paragraph essay.
In the concluding chapter, which we call Where Do We Go From Here?, what we do is ask questions and then answer them, which bring together the ideas of the book. One question is, what is good writing? Another is, what do good writers do? The third is, what should writing teachers do in the classroom? And a fourth is, of course, how can you convince administrators that what we're doing now in the classroom is not sufficient for academic and professional writing?
Anne and I hope that you enjoy reading Changing Practices and that you'll find new reasons and teaching techniques for moving beyond the five-paragraph essay. You can find the book in both print and digital formats on the Michigan ELT website, as well as other booksellers. Next year, we look forward to releasing our new genre-based writing textbook for ESL and other novice student writers to be called Essential Actions for Academic Writing, as well as a guide for teachers called Genre Frequently Asked Questions, which we're writing with our colleague Chris Tardy, both, of course, from the University of Michigan Press. Thanks for watching.